Hey guys, today I have a story for you about a bunch of girls who are spending time together. They are enjoying the time they can spend together and they're talking about this and that, about everything. And it's time to clean glasses. And here are the girls: Diane, Evelyn, Emma, Sophia, Abigail. Diane says, "I would like to propose a toast to our friendship." "Oh, sparkling wine, excellent!" "Let's clean glasses and then gulp it all down. Cheers!" So, propose a toast. This means to say that you wish a person future health, happiness, and success and ask others to raise their glasses and join in the drink. Sparkling wine, excellent. Sparkling means containing bubbles. Now, sparkling wine is wine with bubbles, but this adjective, sparkling, may be also used with non-alcoholic drinks like, for example, sparkling juice. Let's clean glasses. Clean glasses. Now, the verb to clink means to make or cause something to make a short, sharp sound that is made when glass, like here, or metal objects hit each other. You can also say to touch glasses. Gulp it all down. Gulp down means to eat or swallow something quickly or in large amounts. Cheers! This is used as a toast to wish everyone happiness. Sorry girls, Evelyn says. I can't drink with you. Come on, Evelyn. Don't be such a shrinking violet. Drink with us, Abigail says. No, I'm no shrinking violet when it comes to drinking. It's just because I'm still breastfeeding, Evelyn answers. Some vocabulary. Shrinking violet. A shrinking violet is a person who is very shy. Breastfeeding. To breastfeed means to feed a baby from a mother's breast. So Evelyn has a baby and she has to feed the baby from her breast. Oh, I get it, Abigail says. Speaking of Violet, I like your funky dress. It must have cost you a fortune. I'm out $2,000, but at least I'm dressed to kill. Some vocabulary. Funky. Funky means unconventionally stylish. Cost a fortune. This means to cost a lot of money. I'm out $2,000. I'm out means I've spent. So I've spent $2,000 on the dress. Dressed to kill. This means wearing very fancy or attractive clothes. Now, the verb to kill means to take someone's life, but this verb is also used in a lot of expressions, idioms, where it doesn't have this terrible meaning. So, dressed to kill is one of them. Another is to kill time. I have another video about this idiom, to kill time. You can watch it if you want to. Now, how about you? Do you know any other expressions or idioms with the verb to kill? If you do, just write them down in the comments below, please. Okay, Diane says, I wish I had gotten one for myself. My dress also cost an arm and a leg, but I still look like a frump. No, you don't look like a frump, Emma says. Maybe just a little. So, some vocabulary. Cost an arm and a leg. This means to be very expensive. But I still look like a frump. A frump is a woman who wears unattractive clothes or does not make an effort to appear attractive. Okay, looks like Emma said a few words too much. She should have said, you don't look like a frump, period. So, how is Diane going to react to this? Oh, Emma, I forgot to tell you. I like your new wig. It looks almost like natural hair. Maybe because this is natural hair, Emma answers. You must have used a whole can of hairspray to keep it in place, right? So as you can see here, Diane is a bit angry, but she doesn't want to show it. She's smiling, but she's malicious. Wig. Wig is artificial hair that you wear on your head because you are bald or in order to change your appearance. Now, a wig is artificial hair. I'm pointing to my hair, but I'm not wearing a wig. And here are some examples of wigs. Hairspray. Hairspray is a liquid sprayed on the hair to keep it in place after styling. No, Diane, I don't use hairspray, Emma says. I usually keep my hair in curlers for the night, but today I just use a curling iron. That's fine, Diane says. I like your hair. So, girls, what about a shot of whiskey? Some vocabulary. Curlers, or you can also say rollers. A curler or roller is a small plastic or metal tube around which hair is rubbed to make it curl. Now, here you can see some curlers. How about you? Do you wear curlers? Or maybe you use a curling iron like the one shown here. A curling iron is a device with a long metal part that is heated to curl hair. Anyway, Diane wants to enjoy the meeting. She doesn't want to argue anymore. So she says, that's fine, I like your hair. So girls, what about a shot of whiskey? A shot is a small amount of a drink and especially a strong alcoholic drink. Good. Now that you know all the vocabulary, let's have a look at the story one more time. Let's clean glasses. I would like to propose a toast to our friendship. Oh, sparkling wine, excellent. Let's clean glasses and then gulp it all down. Cheers! Sorry girls, I can't drink with you. Come on, Evelyn, don't be such a shrinking violet. Drink with us. You know I'm no shrinking violet when it comes to drinking. It's just because I'm still breastfeeding. Oh, I get it. Speaking of Violet, I like your funky dress. It must have cost you a fortune. I'm out $2,000, but at least I'm dressed to kill. I wish I'd gotten one for myself. My dress also cost an arm and a leg, but I still look like a frump. No, you don't look like a frump. I mean, maybe just a little. Oh, Emma, I forgot to tell you. I like your new wig. It looks almost like natural hair. Maybe because this is natural hair. You must have used a whole can of hairspray to keep it in place, right? No, Diane, I don't use hairspray. I usually keep my hair in curlers for the night, but today I just used a curling iron. That's fine, I like your hair. So, girls, what about a shot of whiskey? Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.